What's up, guys? It's another video. Hopefully it's not that dark. Maybe by the light. Alright. So I ended up getting more parts for my sisters. They ended up coming in, and we're about to do an unboxing and probably install them. As you guys gonna see, it's kind of dark, but she comes out late from work. One. Yeah, they're gonna look good. No, it doesn't go like that. It goes like that.
It does go like that.
I'm replacing these stock ones. There it goes. That's the whole piece, pretty much. I'll set like this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the tail lights. First thing first, you're gonna remove that tab in there, the cover.
Yes.
Yeah, remove it. 4. Let me try to point you guys to one. There's one right there. There's another one down there by that cable. The cable's on the way. And then there's 2 more, like right behind this part. So we shout out to Automatic. You know, sponsoring my ZL1. I don't know, you guys, but this thing was a pain in the butt. So we had to remove the harness itself from the light, remove the nut here, remove another nut here, another screw there. We had to remove the subwoofer, took out the car cover. Took out the cover over there for the speaker so we could try to move, finesse this plastic a little bit. And we finally got the last nut out, which was a pain.
Yeah.
So, let me see. So like I said, there's 4 screws. Well, this one only had 3. There was 1 missing. But,
Stick it in.
yeah, put it in. Remove that. So with that, check out these. They're right here.
These?
Yeah.
With this?
Yeah. There should be one in the. Yep, that one.
Same one.
I hope so. It's an 8.
Yeah.
Let me hold it. Go. Back. So. Okay, so close the hatch right now, so you can see. Peel that off. There we go. So I know the lighting's bad, but this is with the eBay SI, and then this is the OEM. Got both sides. Like I said, I'm apologizing for the lighting. Copy her completely. It is. That's the screw that you guys have to remove this corner light. So go ahead. Now try to pop it out. Should just pop out. No, the corner light. You're trying to take out the headlight. See you go.
I can't.
You can't?
No.
Okay, so hold on. I don't want you to break something. So the corner light's actually connected to the headlight pretty good. So instead of trying to break a tab or something, we're gonna try to actually adjust the the bumper. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos of her hatch. You know, so far as you guys can see, the garage is empty. My Z01's not back yet. Still waiting for it. Should be done this week. So hopefully I do get it back and you guys will be seeing that. So we were able to get the bumper out. It's not fully out because we don't have to remove it. But yeah, so she removed that screw. No, you're not gonna lose it. So just tug and pull it out. Yep, towards. There you go. And then just unscrew it. Easy as that, guys. Easy as that.
Didn't cut my foot.
So remove those. Let's see the new ones. We'll put that. Remember I said the hose has tabs. Some have, one side has a big tab, which goes with the. So just be careful because these tabs back here, they tend to break easily. Stop you. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, guys, because I think I'm gonna help her with a screwdriver to put that tab that could hold the corner light perfect with one. But this is how it is with eBay stuff, Kenny. Not perfect filmings. Like I said, like I was telling her, right here sits pretty good. You just kind of see like a little gap starting on the top, but on this side, for some reason, there's like a straight, even, like little gap on the other side. Like it fits good, just that. Push it up. Okay. There you go. Try to get that. And there, see, there we go. Okay. How it looks. The fitment, a little bit way better. There's a less gap. Oh, I know. I kind of understand why. Right here is like underneath the headline. Wow. It should have been on top of it, like this side. But yeah. Came out good. Looks good. Just cleaning up. Turn off the lights to see it better. So let me know what you guys think. Look at that. See you guys in the morning. I forgot to do an outro for the video. Hopefully you guys like it. Car looks amazing with the amber corners and its tail lights. More parts to come and probably an engine swap coming real soon for that car. She's really enjoying it, which is good. But I'm dailying it for the meantime because my Z01's still not back from the shop. I'm gonna prep my Z01 to go to the track real soon because it's about to open back up for like testing tunes, so I can't wait. I wish my sister could tag along with her car, but unfortunately she's going on a trip with my parents to Mexico. So maybe when she comes back, we're set up a date where it's open again and she'll take her car and pretty much run her own car. Please like the video. Thanks for watching. And so